Hello, good morning. Achila Khobor Janai Dese. All Nagaland College Students Union Canberra Higher and Technical Education Department Khan Logote 129 Assistant Professor Laga Post Soile Nagaland Public Service Commission Khan Logode Chulde Requisition Gurubule Laga Demand Grisha. Answer Brad Department Khan Logode 129 Assistant Professor Laga Post Soile Nagaland Public Service Commission Khange Requisition Kuribule Diri Kuri Dia Garni Kushi Napala Kotabi Janashe. Government College Khange Teacher Shortage Walaga Dikigana 129 Assistant Professor Laga Post Create Kura Garni Concerned Department Aro State Government Ge Kushi Ba Laga Kota Janashe. Will be August 11, 2025 te Manpower Rationalization Committee Canberra recommendation kura laga piche debi aro August 30, 2025 te State Cabinet Canberra approval kura laga piche debi 129 Assistant Professor laga post toile Nagaland Public Service Commission khange recruitment process kuribo karne itiabi forward kuri dia nai goshe government laga level de administrative clearance thaka piche debi Department Canberra 129 Assistant Professor post toile Nagaland Public Service Commission ke requisition kurubole tiri kuri dia karne question bi utaisha sob recommendation aro approval do hele saigena 129 assistant professor laka post toile julde MPSC khan logo de diri nukuri digena forward kuri dibole laka kotha janai disha Tripura bra aha laga tourist action doile sugu wali de harai ja to idiabi na baigana segush aro taike bisara doile idiabi jaya seguina Southern Angami Youth Organizations Canberra Saturday dinde mundu khobodo janashe press release te kushe ki tourist laga nam doile Pranab Das koina janishe aro tai doile January date 4 brai harai jashe kushe Taige last tika doile suku ticket counter de tikishe aro dade bra suku weli de ja doile suku weli laga base camp de pongchana gushe idu laga khobor doile Southern Angami Youth Organizations kan logo de January 13 de hi khobor do tishe gushe idu laga biche de hi youth kan bra 200 obor de volunteers kan State Police, State Disaster Management Authorities, aro Southern Angami Tour Guide Council laga members kan, aro also la busti laga volunteers kan melai gena rescue aro search operation doile suru gurishe gushe. Nagaland Chief Minister Nifurio Bagwasike Dimapur Airport te Assam Rifle Training Center Canberra illegally bra occupation kurigana rakhi loa khali guru bole fail hoise kole to Nagaland State karne central government bra nutun airport tibo lakibo goshe Ryuba media khan lo de kotha kura damdi janai dishe ki idu laga mamla do hele central government khan logo de matter do hele otai dibo aro alak positive rasta do hele besaribo goshe Manipur laga cyber crime branch Canberra 32 sal muta ekta ke Facebook te maiki laga pia photo upload kura karne thurishe koina choagali Saturday din de janai dishe accused manula nam doile Laisangtem Amarjet 32 sal tai do hele Impal East te thaki kushe maiki bra December 26 2025 te complaint file kura laga piche de January 15 2026 te accused manuge tai laga korbra arrest kurishe kushe maiki bra complaint file kura ke kushe ke victim aro idu accused manu doile Facebook laga true bra 2023 de lok kurishe kushe Facebook messengers de alag alag maiki khan logo de sexual chat kura pa karne December 17 2025 te taijon alak alak hobole laga decide kurishe goshe accused manu doile idu ke kosa uthi gena tai laga WhatsApp status de December 23 2025 te pia picture do hele upload kurishe wase Police kan bra accused laga hat bra pansta mobile phone thurishe wase aro taichun relationship te thakya dem de Amarjit bra video kan record kuri gena social media de thali dishe goshe india accused manu do ele india accused to ele further investigation guribo garne judicial custody de ase goshe Manipur laga alag alag tinda district de Indian Security Force kan bra illegal cultivation kura laga 79 poppy field cultivation do hoile destroy guri dishiwa ase edu laga dam do hoile 2.5 crore laga thagishiwa ase joint operation de police army forest department aro alag agencies kan thagishiwa ase executive magistrate laga presence de poppy field do hoile destroy guri dishiwa ase Directorate General of Civil Aviation bra Indigo Airline kan ke December moina de flight disruption guri dia karne 22.2 crore fine do hele mangishe wa ase December 3 aro 5 laga macho de Indigo kan bra 2507 flight to hele cancel kurishe aro 1852 flights to hele delay kuri dishe edo bra 3 lakhs boarded passengers kan tukpa laga tikishe Ministry of Civil Aviation kan bra idu ki hisab bra Indigo do hele flight disruption hoise goina idu laga opor de sabole direction dia laga piche de Directorate of General Civil Aviation bra charda members committee kan banai kena itu laga opor de investigation doile kurishe gushe Ajila khobor de man de khatam kuri di ase chidi komba manu nutun thakile morom ba subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi gona janai di ase thank you